Three, two.
Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to the New Money Wave FX group channel. So today, guys, it's a beautiful Thursday morning. I have beautiful setups that I just took into from. Yeah, man, I don't want to waste time with you. So guys, I had an entry point at 5. Let me check the time. At 5:15, I had an entry point on GBPUSD. As you guys can see, I had an entry point. Currently now what price is doing? Price is reversing towards us, which I don't know why it does this, but yeah, we are reversing now at the moment. So what I'm gonna be doing right now, I'm just gonna be patient with it. Like stop loss above the third candle that started the FEG. As you guys can check with a previous high, which this high was broken by this recent high. So price gave us a displacement towards the downside, taking out this low, making it a bearish market structure shift. And we have an FEG over here and an entry point over there. So currently right now price retraced, it's playing at an entry point. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be waiting until it comes and hit TP, like, just watch and see what it's doing. So hey, these are the positions that I entered, guys. Still at Volts markets, man. Like, I'm not happy with the spread, gang. This spread is crazy unnecessarily. As I said, every time when my entry point hits, my executions don't open exactly at my entry point. It's either they shoot up or they shoot down. If I'm selling, they're not gonna shoot exactly at my entry point. They're just gonna shoot like way far from it, making it difficult sometimes to manage the account because of like crazy spreads, man. Crazy spreads are killers of accounts sometimes, gang. You know, crazy spreads are the reason why so many accounts blow too much fastly. Right now, as you guys can see, the spread is crazy, but yeah, you're just gonna have to, man, and watch the market plays out. There's nothing I can do. If SL hits, it's fine. SL hits, I'll see the market next week. If take profit hits, it's fine. I'm taking the market. I'm taking what the market gave me. I'm seeing the market next week. You see. So yeah, okay. This is how it goes. See you guys later. We're back again, guys. So this is how the account is currently going. As I said, once we cross below over here, once we cross this low, I'm gonna place my share on break even. So we finally crossed it a little bit, but I think it's too early for me to put break even because of like we still have a little bit of reversing to do. That's what I see price may do, but let's see later, man. The channel is that what I see, we're still pushing towards the downside, man. We just doubled the account. So I see the target is here, man. We just down 500 nyana, man, for both positions. Just down 500 nyana, then we're out, then we're done for the day. Let's just see, man. See you guys later, man. Because of like, wait first, before I say see you guys later, I'm aiming for a 6K funded next account, gang. For a 2-step funded next account. That's my target, that's my aim. So we just gotta push and let the market do its thing as long as I analyze. And you guys can check my entry points, gang. FEG entry point exactly at my FEG. So it's fine. We gotta push towards the downside, man. See you guys later. So guys, we had a short-term news event which was PPI. It didn't move crazy like that. It just, retracing. But the reason being, this FEG is calling it, bruh. It was selling a little bit, but now since this FEG is calling it, we might have price come and retrace just to the 50% zone, then continue with a direction. But for now, I'm just gonna let my break even, my stop loss, leave it there at break even. If it closes at break even, it's fine. We respected our setup. If it doesn't, but it's fine. Either way, we're just gonna let the market do its thing and decide what to do. What's happening, man? The market is quite playing along, but I think the market just came to retrace that FEG. It might even close at break even, but it's fine. I'm just gonna let the market do its thing. I'm not gonna close it, I'm not gonna rush it, I'm just gonna allow it to play along. Then I entered US30. I have a US30 position also. So with US30 positions, we just opened up, but we're just gonna see. I missed Nasdaq trades. The Nasdaq trades, I missed them. I missed US 500 setup and I missed Nasdaq. As you guys can see how the market's currently going in both setups, I missed them. I missed both entries here. So this is how we're going with the US30, and this is how we're going with GBPUSD. No rush. No rush. No rush. We're just gonna let it be. You know. We're just gonna let it be. So shit happens. Stop loss hit on break even. We closed on break even on the trade. I don't know whether I'm gonna have a entry point at my entry point or what, but yeah. We closed at break even, and your state is currently running right now. I think I'm gonna close your state also on break even, like then just get out and see the markets next week and withdraw and get out to see the market next week. Because of like shit is happening. Yeah man, we're just gonna do that. If the Tesla hits, I'm just gonna withdraw. So guys, one thing I realized to go to we as traders are the reason why we're not succeeding sometimes, you know? Like we are the reason on why things don't go according to plan. So tell me why yesterday, as I had my entry points over here, I had a wonderful trade setup, you know? Like this is the next day, obviously, yeah. So I had a wonderful trade setup. So as much as I had a wonderful trade setup, beautiful entry point, price came here and I had 250 rands, you know, profits running. And I saw the second FEG, you know. So I placed my trades on break even. My first two trades I placed them on break even. So I entered the last two here yesterday. Me not realizing Ugote, the market created a low, took out that low, change of direction, and did a change of character for a bullish market structure shift. As you guys can see over here, this is the previous low, and this is the recent low. This is the recent low that took out this previous low that you guys see over here. So price gave us a huge displacement towards the upper side, giving us a bullish market structure shift. This previous high, this was the previous high, this is a previous low. So it broke this previous high, gave us the displacement towards the upper side. So what I did, I didn't realize it. I was blind, you know. What do I mean by blind? I was blind. This FEG that I just wrote up here, I saw that FEG. After my stop loss hit, my break even, my trades closed on break even. After that shit hit, I decided to enter. Poof. This candle tricked me over here. This candle tricked me. It spiked up and then it came back down reversing. So I thought, okay, it's gonna shoot down. It just took out my stop loss there and it was gonna shoot down, continue with the direction. Shit, this shit showed me flames, gang. Like, did you see how beautiful my account was? It put me on a huge drawdown on my account, gang. So I ended up withdrawing that shit because of like clearly the market wasn't going in my direction. And I took this like it was like a revenge trade as I look at it again. Then I had which trades did I had yesterday again? I think I had US30. It's fine. With US30 was a beautiful setup also. I caught that entry point over there because I knew the market, I saw that the market wouldn't come over here. Reason being, we don't have a bullish market structure shift. So I was like, okay, the market since didn't create a bullish market structure shift, there's no reason for it to go down here. So it created a bullish market structure shift above over here in the, on this previous high. And it took this previous high with a huge displacement towards the upper side, came back to the trace at the FEG. I was scared, like I was scared again yesterday. I entered two positions. Shit, this shit came here, played. I decided to put my trades on break even. The moment I put my trades on break even, guess what the market did? The market shot up beautifully. It took me out nicely and it shot up beautifully, guys. Yesterday, as I said, trading with emotions kills accounts, gang. That's what I just realized, you know. Trading with emotions kills accounts. Like, tell me why I have so much beautiful trade setups, but me, emotionally, I'm the reason why my accounts are like this. So you know what? I was left with 132 in my account. So I ended up withdrawing that 132, not wanting to blow that money more. So I ended up withdrawing that shit, and I told myself I'm gonna see the market next week, man. Like, so this week I'm just gonna recruit. I'm just gonna get myself, gang. You know, cause wow, I'm the reason why I lost so much money on my account. My account was supposed to be standing at 1,000+ profits by today. But me, my greediness, me having fear, me trading with emotions, I killed myself with that, gang. I killed myself. I don't want to lie to you. So I just want to show you some other stuff. Then we log out, man. This is a Friday, beautiful Friday, gang. So, yeah, my account, you know, this is the account. There's nothing today. Last month, there's nothing. Okay. Here's my account, guys. So over here, do you see this trade? I'm the reason that I lost. You know, these ones too. Like, I choose these trades. I took them out of greed and fear. These ones. That's how I lost my account. You know, these losses are part of the greed and fear that I had yesterday. That's how I lost my account. But here's the money that I withdrew yesterday, and here's my previous withdrawal also. But gang, like, we are the reason why we're not succeeding, man. Like, self-sabotage that I just did here yesterday. So today is a new day. Next week Monday is a new day. We're just gonna have to see what we're gonna do next week, man. Like, so today, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna monitor the markets, you know. Write my mistakes down that I did, man. Like, read those mistakes that I did over the weekend, you know, to never repeat them. But yeah, things we did, we killed ourselves, gang. I killed myself over here. But it's fine, man. We live and learn.